So the entire idea is so probably you could have like a short introduction to yourself.
Okay.
We just want to know as to things, probably 3 or 4 things that you've liked, the experience that we can probably continue, and something that you think we could have probably worked on. So something what we can change and something that we can continue.
To be very honest, I don't know if you're recording, but there is nothing to change. I'm personally very satisfied. We first came to Dr. Soni 2 years ago for our twins. My son had, how do I explain it? उसका जो नया दांत आ रहा था वो दूध के दांत के ऊपर आ रहा था, तो he was kind enough to remove the 2 teeth and let it have enough space to come out. And then 2 months later, our daughter had a trauma, so we came back again. And then we have stayed. So the point being, we came for emergencies, but we have stayed because of the treatment. We have liked our experience. Both our kids are big fans of Dr. Soni. So when I had a trauma, what better place to come? And you've been phenomenal. Your technique is phenomenal, but more than that, I think the effort you put in to make sure I was comfortable and my gag reflex was not interfering with the treatment, and yet everything could come together nicely. I think I have really appreciated that.
Okay. What is it that you think? One is the treatment part.
Yes.
What's your take on the staff or their follow-ups or the front desk?
Phenomenal. I mean, I think they're very courteous, very professional, kind. I think language between my tutti frutti Marathi and Hindi, it works. The follow-up is what I really appreciate, because no matter what day we have come, the follow-up messages, the follow-up calls, is there pain or sensitivity? If I have forgotten, the front desk has been kind enough to follow up. So very much appreciated.
Okay. Anything that you would want us that probably this could have made it a bit better, like whatever your experience was here?
It was perfect. Okay. To be very honest, it's perfect. Good. Having experienced the system in US, I would say this is at par. The cleanliness, professionalism of the staff, the effort you put in with the happy gas and making sure that, somebody has gas. Both my kids, they love coming. They were very disappointed that Dr. Soni did not do the cleaning this time. It was just a checkup. They wanted to spend more time here. So what better to say, like, we don't have any drama when we say, okay, it's a dentist appointment, right? We start, oh yeah, it's a dentist appointment on Sunday. We'll go see Dr. Soni. So,
okay, cool.
Yes.
Thank you so much.
Of course.